Hi guys, I'm happy to post another video again today. So I've structured some of the content on my channel to be a lot more helpful if you're interested in the tools or resources that I use for my setup. I get all of my brushes from Brushes for Procreate, which is an app that you can install along with the Procreate app. And they have different categories that you can browse through, as you can see on my video right now. And they also have a column on the left that tends to be really helpful with categorizing the brushes. So there are premium brushes and there are free brushes that you can use. I'm not using the premium version at the moment, so I'm only downloading free brushes. But as you can see here, you can browse through the premium options if you have that or if you're interested in that. And then you can browse through the free options, which is where I like to go because I don't really want the premium option. There's a new brush here that's called Circuit. Some of them will show you what the stroke looks like, and then you can easily install and import it into the Procreate app. I'm just testing it out on an unfinished sketch right now and seeing if that is something that I could add to my entourage. But yeah, brushes, I'm just putting this in because brushes have really helped me develop my digital art style, and I find that a lot of artworks are now coming out really well as I intend them to come out, which is really helpful for me. Because I tend to get discouraged when my work does not look as I've imagined it in my head. And having things turn out the way that I've imagined it has been motivating me to create more and more art. So I've become a lot more consistent in creating digital art this year than any other year, to be completely honest. But another thing about the structure to my channel is what was that? Another thing that adds to the structure in my channel is I will be posting every single Wednesday and Sunday. So if this is something that is interesting to you, I've put everything down in my description as well. So every Wednesday and Sunday I will be posting, and that's just going to help me with consistency, as opposed to posting every single day for 2 weeks and then disappearing for 9 days. So now there'll be a lot more structure in my life, and also it'll give me time to really create quality, maybe longer form videos. So yeah, I hope that is a little bit more helpful. I would really appreciate if you join our little community that we're cultivating here. And I hope that this video inspires you or entertains you, or if you have any advice for me that really could help me continue to improve, make sure you let me know in the comments. And until next video, ta!
La 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 la. Triple mic. I'm Triple Mike. Subscribe.